What's up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in. Today, we're gonna snatch this bump off this C300 right there. Y'all see the clear coat flaking off. Got a little body damage that we're gonna have to repair right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get that bump off, and I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that little body work, repair that clear, paint this thing, and have it looking brand new. We're gonna put it back on the car. So if you're new, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Alright guys, so we're in the trunk right now, and the only thing that we removed was this little clamp right here, and it's actually probably from straps or something that you can strap down in your trunk. But y'all can see there's a push clip right there. We had to back him out. Once you back him out, pull him out, the whole clamp comes straight out of there. We took this cover off right here. So next we're gonna go ahead on and pop this trim off of here. So I have a plastic pry bar, slip behind this, the plastic. Yeah, snap it. Just want to work it all the way down till they all snap. Now we have all of those snaps, guys. Now, you want to pull up this cover for your spare tires, and you can hook it right in place. All right, guys. Now we're in the trunk. And as you can see, we have two plastic nuts right here that's holding this plastic cover in place. So we're gonna loosen up our nuts. So once you have those nuts loose, you just want to slide your plastic plate up. Okay, now as you can see, we have another push clamp right here. We're just gonna pull this little tab up, pull our whole hold up, and push out. We're just gonna again pull our tab up and push pull the whole snap up, pull him back. Now we have room to access our rear light, which we will also be taking care of replacing some bulb. Maybe not on this video, but one coming soon. So this is how you go ahead on and remove this here tail light. All right, y'all, so we got a 3/8 socket that we'll be using to remove this here tail light. Put him to the side. We don't want to lose any of these. Alright, looks like we have one more back here. So there's nuts that you need to remove in order to get this tail light out of this Mercedes C300. So now we're gonna go ahead on and disconnect our plug right here. There's two tabs on the side of the plug. You just want to squeeze them in. Go ahead, pull out. We have one more nut. Looks like it's right here on this corner. Okay. Alright, so we got those out. Now we're just gonna go ahead on and remove our light. Alright guys, y'all see we done got the light out the Mercedes C300. You see we got our light out of there. Now we just gotta work this bump off. So now we have a 10mm ratchet, and we're gonna remove this here nut that we have holding on our rear fender cover. Alright, now I'm gonna try to get up in here so you guys can see that there is two more little push snaps. One is right here at this lower bottom corner. And try to get him out of there. It's probably a bit better to pull his tie off. We're gonna try to get it without pulling it off, guys, but if we gotta pull it off, then y'all know that's what we gotta do. Alright, we have both our push snaps removed. We'll pull our cover back. Alright, y'all, so it looks like we got a 10mm right here that we're gonna be removing. Alright, we got him out of there. 10mm screw. We have a T20 we're gonna be removing this here star head with up under our bumper, holding our bumper on from the bottom side of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and remove him. Oh, there's another one right here on this back corner. Okay, I don't think we need to. Yeah, we could have left that on there. We're gonna insert that guy back on the car. There's actually some tabs up on that black piece that we can push down to remove the bumper, so we can screw this plate back on there. We can put these screws back up on that bracket. Put all of those back in place. It's actually not that bad then, guys. We should have the bumper off of this vehicle in no time. And we're gonna put these back on that we took off. It just mounts to the body so that the bumper can snap in place. The driver's side bumper bracket. So we're not doing nothing but putting this bracket on this car. And this is how you get to this bumper bracket. So I got our bracket back up. Alright, y'all, so right now we're gonna go ahead on and throw this tire back on, because I don't see a need to have it off. Screw these screws back in place so we know where they at when we need them. Screw the screws back in place. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and throw this tire back on, guys. Since we know we're throwing it, we gotta pull it back off. We're just gonna go ahead on and get us two bolts started. What the hell, all of them ain't gonna hurt. Nah, we need this here jack on the other side. Alright, y'all, so we got our passenger wheel off. We'll go ahead, 10mm. Take this here plastic nut off. This stud that's holding our fender cover off. Go ahead on, take these, remove these push snaps. Okay, just work him out of there. That's one off. Now we have one more right here, guys. We better get up out of there. Kind of ripped him a little. Well, that's okay, as long as we don't break it. Take him out. Now we gonna pull that back. Pull our fender cover back again. So we got another 10mm right here in the top corner. Flip our socket on it. Break him loose. We got him out of there, guys. Put him to the side. And now we have our star head bolt, which is a T20. Pull him out of there. See that was a little rough. We have one more right here, guys, which is another T20. Alright, so we have both of those out. Now we should be able to go ahead and remove this bumper. When you do it, you just take your time, because I'm pretty sure you could mess it up. So we're gonna try to work it off of here, nice and smooth. Just go ahead and look for your plastic tabs. Kind of push up on those. Probably help on your body some if you had your like a plastic rod bar, flat bar that you can just open it up with, so you can see all your tabs that you need to hit. See, we have one right here. You want to be careful because we're taking this bump off to repair it. We don't have to be repairing the car as well. We're gonna try with this here. With this here small okay, we got them. Just take your time and work it off of there, and you'll be able to see your tabs. Y'all see what we're using? This little thing come in handy. So we're just working it from around our light. We really didn't even need to take our light off. Alright, y'all, so to remove both push snaps up under the rear of the car that holds the bumper on. And I believe, gang, this thing is ready to come off of that. That's how you remove the rear bumper from a 2009 Mercedes C300. Y'all see it, gang? We got them off of there. Everything looking pretty good. Should go back in place just as easy as we took it off. This here is those screws that we was trying to unbolt. But there's actually the bracket that holds the bumper in place. It just locks and snaps in place. So we got the bump off, guys. Next we're gonna be getting it all cleaned up and getting it ready to prep. We already got our paint, so that's what we're gonna be doing, gang. So if you're new, enjoyed the video, found it helpful in any way, make sure you comment, like, share, and definitely subscribe. And y'all know we're gonna be back for more. Mr. Random, y'all see Uncle Neffy. We put him to work. He is knocked out. Y'all see what's going on. We're gonna holler at y'all later. Mr. Random.